Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, unboxings, tutorials, spoilers, giveaways. We're doing a giveaway in today's video. One of the items from the NewBeauty TestTube fall box. Let me set it down, it's kind of awkward. I do like that they've kind of stopped using the actual tubes themselves because they're just kind of cardboard and awkward, and after you've had a couple of them you're really struggling for ways to repurpose them. So I do like that they've just cut out the tube part of it and just all the products are inside the box. If you are new here, welcome. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Juvia's Place Allure 3 palette. Looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one. Also in there where it says current giveaways, there's that big one for a 1700 subscriber giveaway. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you do that as well. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway of the NewBeauty TestTube item. Like I said, it's going to be one of these in here. And I do them just to give back to you, just to make you guys happy. And there's no way that I'm going to use all of the items in here. And so instead of just having something sit on the shelf, not get used, I'd much rather give it away and have one of you guys love it. So the NewBeauty box is $59 and it's mainly skincare. Every once in a while you will find a makeup item in there, and then your subscription also gets you access to the NewBeauty magazine, which I love, which is at the bottom of this box. I haven't dug it out yet because I haven't pulled all the products out yet. Oh, really quick, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Aesthetica Be Fierce palette. And kind of looks like that. So let's dive in. Let's find out a little bit about the products and what we're giving away to one of you guys. We'll also talk in the end kind of about what you need to do in order to win. That secret word may be at the end and maybe at the middle, maybe at the beginning. You just don't know. So one of the things that I love about the box is I think your price ratio for what you pay for it, for what you actually, the value you actually get, is one of the biggest, you know, price difference ratios. Like the box costs $59. Each box has over $350 in it. It comes out quarterly. Love, love, love it. So if you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. So the first thing in here is from Somerville. It is their exfoliate intensive exfoliating treatment. It does retail for $88. And it's Katie's Holy Grail at-home facials packed with AHAs and fruit enzymes to deliver these types of exfoliation, chemical, physical, and enzymatic for glowing skin in just 2 minutes. By sloughing away dead skin cells from the surface, skin is better prepared to absorb the rest of your regime. And here's what it kind of looks like. There's a little card in here. It just says your beauty routine says a lot about you. So if you're not using the best of the best, which you deserve, it's time to start now. Dive into your fall test tube, which has all the products you need to level up your lineup. This one sounds promising. So this is by Kaplan MD. It is the Diamond Contour Supercharged 1-Minute Daily Facial. Does retail for $88. And based on Dr. Kaplan's trademark Diamond Contour method, the revolutionary new 4-in-1 facial treatment is clinically proven to improve the 4 facets of beautiful skin: textures, plumpness, radiance, and rejuvenation after just 1 use. This powerful facial combines a skin polishing micro exfoliants, radiance enhancing elixirs, cellular rejuvenation serum, and skin plumping pearls in one formula that leaves your skin smooth, plump, and refined. The next thing in here is from Slip. It is a skinny scrunchie. One scrunchie for $9. It does say that it's pure silk, Skinny Scrunchie, which I do love silk on my hair. While many traditional hair ties can tug on delicate hair, leading to damage and breakage, slip scrunchies are specifically designed to be gentle on your hair to avoid hair creases. Slip scrunchies have a wide surface area and are made with higher grade, which is a 6A mulberry silk, excluding the elastic inside, to reduce those annoying ridges caused by regular hair elastics. So that's kind of cool. Next thing in here is from Fortified Natural. It's a germ-fighting skincare, depuffing, and protecting eye cream. Now it does retail for $25 and it's reducing under eye puffiness, targeting dark circles and signs of aging, and helping keep skin free of harmful germs, bacteria, and pollutants. This award-winning eye cream is a triple threat. Unlike other eye treatments, this product simultaneously helps protect your health while transforming your skin. That sounds kind of cool. Seen a Body Shop product in a subscription box in a long time. This is the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Clarifying Night Peel. It does retail for $34. And it's an at-home nighttime peel, smooths uneven textures and clarifies the appearance of oily and combination skin with just a few drops. Let it get to work while you get your beauty sleep. And then here's kind of what the product itself looks like. From Enola is a power potion. Now it does retail for $55 and it's a power potion leave-in treatment. Uses both nature and science to strengthen hair strands and stimulate the skin and the scalp to encourage healthy increased hair growth. So we got our first hair item in here. There's usually a couple. Here's what the packaging looks on this one. I love Saints and Sinners. So this is their Velvet Divine Leave-In Conditioner. It does retail for $25. And it's a vegan, cruelty-free leave-in conditioner suitable for all hair types and helps to eliminate frizz while increasing, which I have a lot of frizz, while increasing moisture, adding shine, and protecting against heat for sinfully good luck. I want my, because I'm, let out the grays kind of go out, but I would like for them to be super shiny and really pop more against the other kind of black salt and pepper hair that I've got going on. And so hopefully this will help with that. From Grande Cosmetics, there seems to be a lot of Grande. If there is a makeup item in there, a lot of times it will be Grande. I've had some Tatcha lipstick in there in this box in the past, so that was pretty cool. This is Grande Cosmetics Grande Pout Plumping Lip Mask in Berry Mojito. Now the mask does retail for $24 and get a plump, pillowy pout without lip injunctions with the Grande Pout Plumping Lip Mask, which use patented DuraQuench Intelligent Hydration to form a structural layer on the lips to help reinforce the skin's natural barrier and lock in moisture for up to 72 hours. I know this time of year my lips can get really dry, so can't wait to really try this. From Farmhouse Fresh is the Moon Dip Hand Cream. It does retail for $16. And the Super Hydrating Hand Cream uses a blend of natural emollient oils to lock in hydration and leave hands feeling refreshed, supple, and more youthful. The Sugar Moon Dip invokes a scrumptious scent of soft vanilla with a hint of juicy clementine as it moisturizes, while the Velvet Moon leaves hand with a calming essence of milk and oats. I love keeping a hand cream on my nightside table. Just kind of put it in right before I go to bed. Love that. Secret word is skincare. So the last thing in here is from BioRepublic. It's a Moss Magic Biocellulose Sheet Mask. It does retail for $7. And it's made with clean, cruelty-free ingredients. This innovative face mask utilizes cyclonal patents, the first sustainable moss to enter the cosmetic industry. It really helps your skin with hydration. This natural moss also really helps your skin to help strengthen that nuclei and improve overall homogeneity to create a healthy, refreshed look. That sounds really, really cool. What do I think of this box? Look how gorgeous Rosie Perez looks on the cover of the fall box. I get so much out of reading this New Beauty magazine. Love it. There's like helpful products to use. You know, there's a section that talks about hair. There's a section that's all about, you know, skincare and what people are recommending, body, you know. It talks about doing exercises, leg lifts. I do love, like in the back, it talks about different doctors in different areas that they recommend. Love this. Okay, what do I think? I think it's very skin care heavy. I do wish that it seemed like there was really heavy on kind of the exfoliant and peels. I just wish, hey, maybe let's get a moisturizer. Hey, maybe let's get like a regular cleanser, regular toner, stuff that we could use that's all not part of the same category in skincare. I just wish they would be broken up more. And I do wish that New Beauty had a quiz that you could take. So like for me who has more of the drier skin, I'm not getting stuff that's meant for people who have more oily skin. So let's give away that scrunchie from Slip. I mean, it's silk, so it's gonna be great for your hair. I just have a ton of scrunchies and obviously my hair is short anymore, so I really don't need it. I'd much rather give it away to one of you that can use it. That way it's not sitting on a shelf, not being used, it's at home with you being loved. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out, only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word and also put your YouTube name so I can verify if yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but on that form there's a spot to mark if you did any of the bonus entries. Now if you did mark on there that you did, make sure that you did do them because I do check and I don't want you guys to get disqualified. So how the 4 different ways that you could get bonus entries are: 1, if you go follow me on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, AMA, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you go follow me on Twitter, it's the Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB, the same name as the channel here. And your fourth way is if you share this video. I really appreciate it. It helps me grow so much, and I can't thank you guys enough for all the sharing that you do. It means the world to me. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I absolutely love it when I can make somebody else happy. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through September 9th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on September 14th, what I will do is take from all the entry forms, and if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take the first name, first initial of their last name, plus all the bonus entries that they did what they were supposed to be doing there, put those in the computer. The computer spins it all around. Computer, we see the computer pick it. There's no vending business here on the channel. Then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share the information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't sell the information. I'm the only one that has access to it. As soon as the giveaway is over, give me a couple days to mail out those forms, and as soon as I do, all the forms are deleted. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the algorithm when you do. Kind of recommends us to other people out there. So if you could do that, it would be greatly, greatly appreciated. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I greatly appreciate you checking it out. If it's your time to go, no worries. I know that we will see you soon. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye. Good luck on the giveaway.